Hello, boys and girls. So we are talking about the numeral 8. Yes, here we have the numeral 8. So how do we draw the numeral 8 again? A circle at the top, then a circle at the bottom, a circle at the top, and a circle at the bottom. A circle at the top, then a circle at the bottom. That is the numeral 888. That is the numeral 888. So we are talking about the numeral 8. Now I am going to tap the page 8 times. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now, how do we spell the word 8 again? E-I-G-H-T, E-I-G-H-T. I can spell 8. I can spell 8. E-I-G-H-T, E-I-G-H-T. I can spell 8. I can spell 8. And there we have the numeral 8. Now we are talking about plants, and plants are living things. Plants are all around us. Now we are going to count up to 8 trees, or coconut trees, or banana trees. Let us try counting them. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 there. Let's count these coconut trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. Let's count these banana trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. Let us count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 for all of them. So I'm going to write the numeral 8 right there. A circle at the top and a circle at the bottom. That is the numeral 888. All right. Now you're going to take your crayons and color in the outline of the trees, all 8 of them. But over here now, we have the numeral 8 again. So what you're going to do is to draw 8 trees in each set. So here's a set in this box. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you write numeral 8 in the box. So all the boxes, you're going to write numeral 8 in them. A circle at the top and a circle at the bottom, circle at the top and a circle at the bottom. And then you can draw your trees anyhow you want it. 8 trees. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to draw 8 trees here and 8 trees there. And plants are living things. And we are talking about the numeral 8. Let's do the number rumba, eh. Let's do the number rumba, yeah. Let's do the number rumba, eh. Number rumba all day long.